record this shit.
What do you think I'm doing?
Oh.
Your eyes are turning red, you know.
Your whole face is red.
Calm down, breathe.
Wait, you look really pretty. Come on, sit up. So I can get off him so he can sit up. And he can show off
Breathe.
his nice hair. Get up. Look at his pretty hair. Get up.
Get up, damn it.
Oh, you look like Marilyn Monroe.
Isn't he pretty?
Oh, yes, Jimmy.
I love you, Jimmy.
Smile.
I don't even know how it looks. Ah, my back hurts. I can't
Hit
get
people
up.
with it.
I don't think I could stand right now.
Why not?
Don't!
Cold? What if it was just on top of you? What the hell? You make his nipples hard, apparently. Mine aren't. I'm sorry.